Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2010 on a 60 plate Skoda Yeti SE. This is the 2 litre turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in steel grey metallic, and it's covered just 21,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very low mileage Yeti 4-wheel drive. Extremely popular with us over the years here in Ross-on-Wye. Without doubt one of our favourite and most popular and best-selling SUV type vehicles over the 12 years that we've been running. Incredibly popular even now, and they stopped making them 7 years ago. This is probably one of the lowest mileage ones we've ever had. September 2010 registered, just 21,000 miles. It's had one owner from brand new right the way through its life. Serviced 7 times, so well maintained despite obviously the very low mileage. If you're doing your MOT checks, you'll notice that the car hasn't been MOT'd. It has now, we've just MOT'd it, but it hasn't been MOT'd for 3 years. The car was sat, not really being driven. Hence how we acquired it. So we've given it a very thorough going through in our workshop. We've spent about £1,500 on the car getting it up to retail standard. So it's had brake pads and discs replaced all round, it's had tyres replaced, it's had a complete full service. Lots of bits and bobs have been done. It's had a new badge on the back even, so we've really treated it, and it really looks the part now. It's the SE spec, but it does have a lot of added options on top of the SE, so it's got a really good option list with it. So the spec's excellent for what's a 14-year-old car now, or coming up to. Condition's lovely inside and out. As are the door cards, all in good shape. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel, we've got your trip computer controls, we've got your radio controls. There's your mileage, 21320. We've got cruise control. We've got a manual handbrake, couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, centre armrest with some storage underneath. There's your 6-speed manual gearbox with a bit of storage below. We've got climatic air conditioning. You've got your off-road button. It has parking sensors front and rear. That was an added option. Obviously you can switch those off. And then up above you've got radio, CD, Bluetooth. Has it got Bluetooth? No Bluetooth installed. But radio, CD. It's got a park pilot on there as well. If I put the car into reverse, you get a radar that comes up. Some storage at the top. In the glove box, obviously, you've got all your handbooks. So useful, these Yetis, with a raised seating position. You're nice and high off the ground. Visibility is excellent. It does have an electric panoramic roof, which is a really nice touch. Fully operational, and it goes right the length of the car. Obviously, we've got the blind over now as it's baking sunshine today, but that's a really nice touch. Roof bars on the top, of course. 5-door practicality. And this is where they start to really come into their own, these Yetis. Electric windows in the back. 3 proper seat belts with 3 headrests. Of course, you get the ISOFIX to the child seats as well. So comfortable 5-seaters. Loads of headroom. Rear seats you can do all sorts with. You can fold them, you can tilt them, you can take them out. So you can turn it into a bit of a van type vehicle if that's the way you want to go about things. Brand new badge on the back. And then into the load space. Parcel shelf at the top. Like I say, you can do all sorts with the seats. And then a really good boot space. No lip to negotiate. Really good size. You've got a 12-volt socket in the back as well, and underneath it'll have a spare wheel and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it. September 2010 Skoda Yeti SE with some added goodies. 21,000 miles from one owner with a good service history. We've just replaced tyres, brakes all round, both the rear calipers, full service, MOT, so pretty much ready to go. And the car will also come supplied with 2 keys and of course our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, still plenty of life left in this whole thing, and I'm sure it'll be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.